Hi guys, welcome back. I've got the cable for you here and quite a reversal we're seeing today. We've been up to a high of about 60.45 and we're last trading at 159.33. We've got the equities firmly in the black or in the green, depending on which color you prefer. We've had a push to the upside this morning on both euro dollar and cable. Dollar was under a bit of pressure, but running into resistance. Let's just have a quick recap. We looked at cable over the ILO unemployment rate this morning. We just pushed above 160, the figure just ahead of the numbers, and then having a look at some resistance points coming in at your moving averages, your 20-day at about 60.60. It's dipped a little bit. 60.55 and now it's 60.52. We've got you can see that we've pinged off it absolutely perfectly here. Now just looking at this before I come on to the hourly charts, having a look at these 1, 2, 3 and 4 lows at 159.15. For those of you that have seen my cable videos, I've reiterated this sort of double Fibonacci retracement here, and a level that has held and held and held so far over the last 5 trading days. So we are coming down to it again. You can see the price action over the course of the last 3 hourly candles. We're just pushing aggressively lower and lower. This is the level right here, as you can see, 159.15. It's been exactly, the low has been exactly 159.15 all these times, and a close below 159, let's call it a close below 159, the figure could potentially spark off some sort of medium-term long positions. We are hearing in dribs and drabs of potential deals and resolutions coming out of the US, and that's seeing a bit of bid tone to the US dollar, and you can see the reversal. We've had even euro dollars off about 70 pips. 80 pips from the highs that we've seen just 2-3 hours ago at 135.67. We're last trading at 34.90. The support there on euro is also about 34.60-70 area. So both cable and euro coming down to their potential breakout levels. We want to see the price action around there and see where the daily candles close. Not sure if it's going to happen today, but market seems to be looking a little bit forward and hoping that some sort of a resolution is going to come. So watch for this breakout level, potentially 159.15. It's held several times, and you could get some stops pushing through. Let's have a look at where we could end up if we do push below. Let me just talk about this descending trend line as well while I've got you here. So we had it capping the rallies 1, 2, 3, pretty much 4, dipping all the way down to 159.15 again. That was yesterday, and then pushing up, and we're back down below it. So potentially we want to wait and see how the day closes to see if this is in fact a false break, and that's why I'm looking at this a close below this level, below, let's call it below 159, and we could have some further selling pressure. We've got as I said, we've got the dollar quite bid across the board. Dollar yen's moved up a bit. Dollar Swiss has managed to hold the 91 area. The only thing that's not really moving is Aussie and Kiwi, but the euro and the pound have very much reversed all of their earlier gains. So we'll have to wait and see. These are the support levels, and we want to see if we are getting all sorts of news trickling through, but we want to see what the daily close is and what the outcome is. Just a bit of caution is warranted. And some volatility is probably expected over the coming hours.